You guys, it's Monica and welcome back. Today we are making a soda can glass snow globe. So let's get into it. If you didn't know, I recently released these soda can snow globe glasses. They're really cool. They're double wall tumblers, but they already have the hole pre-drilled in them and they are glass. But yeah, like going along with that whole soda can trend, it's really cool, really trendy, and it makes it just that much easier to do a snow globe because you don't have to worry about both the heat tool and or a drill. So super cool. You can pick these up over my website, PeriodSixDesigns.com, which I will link below. Depending on where you're seeing this video, our store is probably closed because we are on vacation for the next week, and so the store will open back up either the afternoon of the 16th or the morning of the 17th of September. But I will post that over on Instagram just to give people the latest information. And so I'm using opal glitter in order to do this snow globe. I'm doing a Halloween one, but I wanted to, because the vinyl pattern that I chose, I really wanted to kind of keep it fun. And I know we're only a minute into the video, but if you've seen my Instagram post related to this video coming out, you would see that in the caption, I said I had some things to get off my chest. So if you don't mind, I'm going to spend the next few minutes kind of just almost bearing my soul to you guys and kind of let y'all know everything that's going on and what I would like to see for my future. And so, yeah, so pretty much what I wanted to come on here and talk about is just kind of how I really don't know if YouTube is in my future. And I say that because I just feel like YouTube is just, it's becoming like the Facebooks and the Instagram is just becoming a little toxic. And I'm not talking about like my day one supporters or people that have recently discovered me and y'all really just mess with my brand. Like, y'all are here for my personality, you're here for the entertainment value. It's really like craft comedy, what I do over here. And I love doing that, don't get me wrong. But it's the people that have been finding my videos that are always negative, always have something to say that I don't want to deal with it, honestly. I do this for free. There's a little check that is associated with it, but it's not paying my bills. And I also don't want people to look at my videos and see the 40,000 subscribers and think that I'm getting rich off of this. Truth be told, all my money, all my income, how I live, how I finance my lifestyle, how I'm able to close my store for a week and go on vacation to a foreign country is because, y'all, I have 2 engineering degrees. Like, some of y'all already know this, but and I've been an engineer for a decade. So you can Google how much money and kind of guesstimate how much money you think I make. So I'm doing all right. I do this because I love it. And when people start trying to come in your space and change the way you see how you do your job, it doesn't make you want to do that job anymore. And that's how I kind of feel. And so and my husband kind of tells me I need to be able to let it go. And I'll put the instruction and the ratios and stuff that I'm using on the screen. But my husband tells me that I need to be able to kind of let it go and just ignore those people, block those people. But it's just no, I don't want those people finding my videos. I just want y'all to stay over there. Like, for example, somebody left a comment, when I was gone for 3 weeks, I would only check my comments every 3 or 4 days because, again, every time I would check the comments, there's always somebody leaving a comment. It's just oh my, not, again, a negative comment. Like, somebody be like, can you watch those F's and those S's? I get enough of that at work and on TV. It's so you're telling me, a woman who's going to be 31 next week, that you don't go up to your coworkers, your adult grown coworkers, and tell them how to speak. You don't choose to watch Disney Channel all the time or any different television. You still sit there and you enjoy those programs. You still go clock into your job with those people. But you want to come on YouTube, again, and tell me, an adult, a grown-ass woman, how I should speak. Like, what is wrong with y'all? And then at the very end of your whole paragraph that you left me, oh, nice work, by the way. It's just everyone wants to come on here and throw shade and then leave a oh, by the way comment. And it's just I don't want to do this no more. Y'all make it so that my heart don't really be in it. And that's why the videos haven't been consistent and just all that other stuff. And so kind of what my brain is telling me that, and I know I've talked about this before, and I kind of shitted on the girls a little bit when I said they make y'all pay to be their best friend. But I feel in order to foster the community that I want to be in, moving to a private paid platform is where I kind of need to be. And even if it's me just charging y'all $1 or $5 or something like that, that way I know that people that are there want to learn and grow with me. They want to just kind of foster our own little struggle craft community. And I don't have to worry about those things that are causing me mental anguish and making me not want to do this. So that's just kind of where my mind is. And like I said, it's not something that I've actively already done, but it's something that I'm strongly leaning and more than likely will do. I will still do videos for YouTube, maybe once a month or so. But really, I want to move my content to a place where the people that will consume the content will appreciate the content and will help me grow and learn. And we can kind of do like help each other and do those kind of things. So that's kind of just where my heart is at the moment. But I really feel like I needed to speak on that because you'll notice, like I said, the videos aren't consistent and stuff like that. I don't really be replying to too many comments from like people that I haven't seen comment before. I've recently had to like block a lot of people, and it's just because of like those things. It's like, I don't want, like, I'm cool with constructive criticism. I don't want anybody to take that the wrong way. I love when y'all leave comments saying, oh, you should try it like this. Oh, you should do it like that. Like, for example, I felt like when I first did my Crystal Like video, the owner of Crystal Like I felt attacked. And even to this day, I can honestly say every time, if I say anything negative about Bright Tone, that community attacks me. Like I told you on my last video, I was literally blocked from posting on Instagram because they mass reported me. Like, so if I'm not kissing their ass in the video, which they do not pay me for, I buy their products with my own money, then I'm literally attacked. And then like, y'all are really giving me cult vibes to the point like y'all will literally sit here and go up for a brand, kissing their ass, talking about come join our Facebook cult. I don't want to come join your cult. I don't want to, because y'all sit under my videos and y'all leave paragraphs and tell me to come join your cult, and y'all get mad because I'm like, you know, I'm good off this. Like, even with the Hyperion stuff, like the lady, she was really nice and came in the comments, and I kind of gave her some feedback as to what I do, because like I said in the last video, I don't like joining Facebook groups, so y'all are psychopaths. Like, and even now, I seen someone today left a whole paragraph about Hyperion. I said, oh, it's the Bright Tonies. They're back, and now they're on Hyperion's team, and now they're going to be doing this too. Like, I can already feel it. And that gives me anxiety. And it gives me anxiety to the point where I'm like, I don't want to do it anymore. Because y'all don't know how to chill. And like I said, I always click on y'all's profile and y'all don't have channels. Like, and I don't watch a lot of other people's YouTube videos. I really don't watch any other people's YouTube video. I mostly stick to gossip. But like, why should I have to come join your Facebook group when I'm making this video over here? Like, it's just, like I said, it's just becoming too much. The cult followings of people, like, don't ever put me up on a pedestal, y'all. I'm a normal person. I'm a normal girl. I get up and I go to work like everybody else. Like, don't ever stop putting these companies up on pedestals. Stop putting these people on pedestals. Like, somebody sent me a DM the other day and was like, you know, I want to do this. I could use the extra money. Like, again, don't use me as an example. Y'all, I work a full-time job and a part-time job. Like, I get up and I make my money. I don't want people to look at me and put me on a pedestal to the point where they think that I'm living some kind of lifestyle off of this, because I'm not. When I get, even with my glitter sales, I do not touch that money because I don't need that money. Like, I'm saving it for a rainy day in case I do need it. You know what I mean? I'm very blessed to not need it. And so again, I don't want people putting me on the pedestal. I don't want people looking at me this way. And like I said, it's just becoming too much. I just want to be a normal girl on the internet. And I don't know if that's asking too much, but that's just kind of how I feel. Really quickly, that is a pattern from Etsy. I know I already put it on the screen, but y'all know I struggle with layering, and so I have to do the bootleg layering because, again, y'all already know, if you've been here, you know I can't layer to save my life. And so I layered all the white ghosts on the black ghosts, and the rest of them were just like see-through ghosts. And so I'm gonna just do all the layered on the cup at once, and then I'm gonna put the see-through ghosts on the cup. But yeah, and so I know I've been talking for like 8 minutes, and I'm sorry, but like I said, I really needed to get that off my chest. I don't know what is going to happen with this channel moving forward, but, you know, when your heart's not in it, it makes it really hard to do. And I'm sorry to the people who do consume my content for free, and y'all aren't negative Nancy's, and y'all are nice people, and I appreciate y'all. Please believe that. And if, like I said, if I do create like whether maybe I can do a free private platform. Now I can kick people and kick people out. I don't know. I have to figure it out, and that's gonna take me a little bit of time. In that time, I don't know if the videos are continue. Maybe I won't do this to the new year. I don't know. But I really needed to get that off my chest. I really needed to let you guys know that. So yeah, like, that's just is what it is. So yeah. Anyways. Thank you for listening. I appreciate you. I am happy that you're here. I hope you're having a great day, a great week, and a great month. I know it's still early in the month. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, thank you for listening. Thank you for allowing me to come on here and be my authentic self, even if some people don't agree with that. But like I said, I do appreciate the people who do allow me to be myself. And yeah, that's it. And so finally, back to the commentary of the video that is now almost over. So like I said, now I'm just going back and I'm just doing a little bit. I don't know. Wrapping a whole cup is difficult. And a lot of people, like, I be seeing the girls do it, and maybe because I don't do it enough, and that's why when I do it, I struggle. But, like, it never comes easy to me. And I don't know. But, yeah, and so I'm just doing it little by little, one by one, because, and then these little, especially when it be, like, the little lines, they be so difficult. And that's when you be like, please don't rip, please don't rip. So, yeah, and I'm just going to use my weeding tool to stick everything back in place. Alright, and when I finish it off, this is what we are working with. And how fitting are the middle fingers for this video after everything I just said? You're probably like, she is crazy. She just switch gears like it's nothing. But I go a mile a minute. And so I get a lot of questions asking, when you do the vinyl, do you have to seal it with epoxy? Yes and no. That is a very personal decision in my opinion, but I'm going to do it in this video just to show you. And so I use Oracle 651, which is permanent vinyl, which lasts 3 to 5 years. And they say 3 to 5 years. I don't know if that includes washing and the way in which we use it, but I've had cups for years that have Oracle 651 and does not come off easily. And so, excuse me, eventually it will like come off, but if you want to just create that extra sealing layer, you are absolutely welcome to, and there is no problems with doing it. And so, yeah, I'm just using the Alumilite Amazing Clear Cast. What is it called? Alumilite Amazing Clear Cast Quick Coat Epoxy. That's what it is. And so, yeah, and I'm also doing the bottom of this cup, and I like epoxying like these because it helps kind of seal that in, because especially when I use UV resin, I just be so unsure of UV resin because I know you can heat it up very easily and pop it out. And that's the part that scares me. And so doing this extra layer of epoxy, like regular epoxy, I actually do like. But yeah, you just do it like you're doing a regular cup. And there's like a little rim on this cup, and so that's why I have the masking tape around the rim. And so making sure I'm coming all the way up to the masking tape to kind of create that seal. And then once I get it spinning and I'm happy with everything, I will take the masking tape off. See, like I said, it's very personal, and honestly, on these soda can glasses, I really like the look with the epoxy because I feel like it gives it so much depth. It's like looking through a glass, looking at a design, and then having like something moving in the back. I don't know, like I be getting like real into my thoughts when I said, oh, this has depth to it now. Like this looks good. So yeah, as you can see, go ahead and pull it off that masking tape. I pull it off immediately. I don't let it sit on there, and I don't let it, make its home there. So let that sit. Like I said, this epoxy takes about 8 hours. Oh yeah, hit it with the heat gun. Just slightly hit it with the heat gun because it's glass. You don't want it to break. And then you'll end up with this. Boom, there it goes. So, as always, you guys, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. If this was not your cup of tea, I'm sorry. I can always do another one with more instruction. Leave a comment below. Now, where that video will land, I couldn't tell you. But yeah, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest at PeriodSixDesigns. And I'll see you guys in the next one, whenever that may be.